There we are. Good morning, brother.
Good morning. Good morning. Another day.
Another day. Absolutely.
Hey, another day. Another day. Another day.
Post to these guys. Let them know we're here.
It easy today.
Yeah. Okay.
Taking it easy today. No rush.
Greg.
No rush.
Greg's just already here.
The way it is.
It's the way it is.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Gregson.
Morning. Register.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, man.
Get the YouTube going here.
Big difference from yesterday, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Market was rah, rah, rah yesterday, huh? Look at it today.
Yeah, today's Friday though, and the Monday is no trading, so it's a longer weekend.
Yeah. Take it where you could get it.
Yeah, some people wants to take cash to their pockets today.
Yeah, man. You know what it is. That's what we came in. What we do. How are you this morning? You good? You green?
Nah, I'm red, but not much.
Okay.
Pre-market, I lost in pre-market in
And it's not easy to trade in pre-market, man.
Yeah, because you
It's not
cannot
easy.
put stops.
Yeah, it's not easy.
That's okay. I'm actually coming after green close.
Good, good, good.
It's all right.
Yeah,
You win some and you lose some. That's how it works.
that's it. That's it. That's it.
Oh, I'm sorry, except for you.
Oh, I do lose some, man.
I know. I'm just saying.
I lose some, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, but
We
I
see
know how to
it.
get it back green, man. You know,
Of course, of course.
it's just years of doing this. You know when to say when. You gotta know when to pull them. That's just the bottom line. You know, that's how it is. Thank you. You're just joining us. Welcome. Happy Friday. If you're new to YouTube or new to our channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, leave a comment. Also, I love that little emoji heart they got over there too. Go ahead and tap that several times a day. That will let YouTube know that we are live and you love this content. I like the little smiling face because I'm just a happy guy, right? Choose one of your liking and just hit it. And that's how we do it on YouTube. If you choose to come over into the Zoom, I pinned the link in the chat up top. Marcus, links for me. Go ahead and follow those links. Follow me on social media at the Zenzo1. Those links are up there as well. Come on and join a team that is willing to change your life one trade at a time. Start building generation. And let's build it together, guys. Oh, all right. I'm just sharing my trades, my knowledge, and my stock picks. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. So if you need financial help, please do seek your financial advisor.
Good morning, guys.
You are on the right track. Good morning.
Morning, Sean.
Okay, so here we go. Friday, there's no trading on Monday, which is January 15th, because it's Martin Luther King Day. It's a holiday for the market and also a holiday for us as well. So we have a big weekend ahead of us coming up starting today. Woohoo! Yes. Welcome to our channel. Good morning. Good morning. Also share the share the link over on YouTube. Appreciate it. I am your host, Zen Trader. Let's get some sounds going on here. One of these holiday festive movement, jazz. It's one of the sound I like. Trade. January jazz of the season. How you doing, Mark?
Good. Watching Roma try to come back.
Roma trying to come back.
It's hitting the 4 again.
Let's look at Roma. EMPH was a great trade. Downside. Love it.
Not a lot of
I
volume.
almost 3 points in EMPH. Like that. Well, same thing with MSDR. MSDR fell big time.
Yep. It looks like things are trying to come back. Tesla. Come back to our 2120.
See now, it's the first pullback in 15 days on wow, on that SW BL. And moves it run. That was great. Get up now. I stopped out here at this 5:24. That was a great run yesterday. Get back to strong. Look at the daily here. Wow. First pullback. Look at the pullback on that there. On 800. Bam. Out. The roadblock up top here. 649. 15 days. Running. First pullback on 15. Awesome. That was awesome trick. That's what I'm talking about. Steve. What are you trading, Gregster? Anything?
Yeah, I'm in this AUVI trade. It's like $3 stock.
Nice reversal on the CDR here.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, Mark.
Good
Morning,
morning,
Mike. How we
Mike.
doing?
How we doing?
Doing good, thank you.
Good. I love it. I love it. Well, I think I'll release that house of MSDR and I'll be great with that. That's another great thing. You're only gonna be here for an hour, guys. So, we've been having problems with licensing part of our business, so just to put that out here to do some education. Okay. And Rome wasn't built in that day, so be patient, it's coming.
Good morning, fellas. Good morning.
Morning.
Sean.
Morning. How you doing today, Mike? You doing
Doing
good today?
Yeah, good. Thank you, Steve. Yeah.
Okay, good, man. I love to hear that. I love to hear that because your voice sounds better now.
Yeah, it will get better. It takes
Yes, sir.
time.
Yes, it takes time. Absolutely. That's the right attitude to have. Yes, sir. But I'm sure it's more better than it was before.
Yeah.
Great, great. The market is slow today. You
Yeah,
see it?
market trying to find a direction.
Yeah. See, all right, it's me up here.
So this morning I was trying to short Tesla, but instead I ended up buying it because I was in a rush to come to go to the doctor. I didn't realize it until I got here.
Yeah,
So that kind of wiped out all my games, but it's all good though.
yeah.
But Tesla ran on the open. You shorted it on the open?
Yeah,
Yeah, I shorted. No. I wanted to short it, but I ended up buying calls. I mean, not calls, but just buying it.
Mm-hmm.
And it did a. I didn't realize that the market was bearish. Trying to get ready, get out the house, and make it to the doctor's on time.
yeah.
But it happens though. I got out of it though.
Good, good, good.
Morning, all.
Morning, good morning.
Oh, Andy.
Guys looking at today.
Nothing from me. You know what I trade. Just took a bit of Tesla this morning, up
Yeah.
and down.
Up and down.
Yeah.
I took AUVI this morning as well.
AUVI.
Uh-huh.
Why I seen this stuff before. I seen this stuff. It's very choppy. This is choppy. You must have got it down here. Pre-market. Where did you get this? What
I
level?
got it. I got out of it. I made a few dollars on it and I got out. I waited for a pullback for it and then I got in.
Choppy. Choppy.
Yeah, as soon as I saw that high red candle, right before it started forming, I got out. When I saw the RSI heading the opposite direction.
Down on spike. They don't get so much of the opposite. All these are spikes. If you're gonna be out, boom, you're out. Boom, also on that one. Channel now, right? But you'll be ready.
Yeah, I'm out of it though.
Good. Right, what else? Tesla? See Tesla?
Yeah, in Tesla.
TSLA. Mark, what's going on? Chilling in the cut,
Yeah,
relaxing.
yeah,
I like-
watching things start to return.
Yeah,
EMPH
yeah.
look like it's returning,
The MPH, yeah.
coming off the bottom.
I'll be out of that in a few minutes. Oh, nice, great. Tesla this morning. We took Tesla. Bang. Oh,
Yeah.
didn't take it on the downside. But we could watch it. Let me come Come out of EMPH in there. Then we could look at Tesla. Oh, I know,
Yeah, that's-
MSDR is down. That means Mara is down.
Yep.
Come out the last 200 shares of EMPH.
I'm watching the SPY. The SPY don't look like it's going down at all.
Buying going down at all, right?
Yeah, it's messing me up. So I'm looking at the market is going down, but the SPY just staying still.
I was up and then came down.
Too long there, 112.
Oh, it did. Okay.
I ran unopened
Let's
and
see,
it came all the
112.
way down.
Coin is to the bottom. MSDR is going, that means coin is going, right? We're looking good. MSDR. EMPH. Get a trade on here. Oh, 113. Let's do a 121. Amazon ran, right? Google ran. That's pretty than that. That's pretty than that. And T, Red Star, Sean. Rainy outside with 67 degrees, brothers. Sean is in the building. Good morning, Sean.
Morning, guys.
Morning, Sean.
How we doing today, Sean? Anything good?
Yeah, I got Tesla this morning. I didn't get it coming down, but I got it going up first thing.
That was me too. I was busy into some other trades into MSDR, snag MSDR up top there. I was looking at it, I said, man, I should have got at least 200 shares of that.
Yeah.
We did coin, we did Tesla, we did Baba. I just finally got out of EMPH. Watching Tesla right now and EMPH. And again, it's Friday. No trading on Monday. Mark, are you on the same beach I am, brother?
Yeah. I'm waving. Can you see me? There you
Yeah,
are.
look-
You're over there.
In the back, it looked like you had sunglasses on and everything, man.
Yeah, right.
Man.
He's chilling in the shade, man.
I'm just chilling under the palm tree. Can't you see the shade under that palm tree? Look at that.
Hey, Mark,
Yes.
There were a couple of topless ladies walking behind you as well. If you turn around.
There we go. I'm under the palm tree now. Better watch the coconut might fall on me.
Yeah. Well, the coconuts are gone already, right? We still got some up there. But yeah, just be diligent with the market on a Friday, really. Yeah. What was it? Society of Mark, on that movie Society of the Snow.
Oh,
That
that's what
was
it was
the-
called?
Yeah,
Society of the Snow?
yeah. Yeah.
Let's see. Go look for that.
Yeah. Yeah, it was based off a lie. Yeah. Yeah.
So was the beekeeper.
Huh?
I said, so was the beekeeper.
Yeah. Oh man. Wait.
No.
Oh, hold on. Oh, I missed an EMPH. Oh. No. CMPH. Huh. Like 20 cents out, right?
Mm-hmm.
17.
17. Not bad.
17 too much.
At least they gave you the bid.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't go in it. I missed it too. I
You
was
gotta
busy
scalp
watching,
in this environment. Scalp.
too busy watching Tesla. That passed my new entry. Get to VWAP.
Let's watch Baba. Miss Baba at that 72, right?
Mm-hmm.
72, 50. Three now. The next one. Next. That was free market. Now wait for that level now. Yeah, we missed that. How did everybody do this week? We had what, 5 days this week? How many people are 5 days green? How many days you're green out of this week? It's 5%.
I'm the first day red this year, but I don't trade every day.
Okay. But first day in red, this year started, we have what, 9 days? So how
Yeah.
did the 9 days, how many days did you trade?
Probably like 5.
5? That's not bad, man. That's 99% winning rate right there. Absolutely.
Thank
That's
you.
amazing.
Yeah,
Still,
but I go smaller sizes and you
doesn't
know.
matter. Doesn't matter. It could be pennies. Right?
It was going
The
good, but
idea,
today,
the idea is that you are consistently every time you come. Right?
yeah,
Now, to change the formula, right? You got to show up every day in order to know what the market looks like, in order to see what the functionality within the stock, right? Whatever it is that you got to do, you have to change that in order to be a consistent, not saying you're not consistent now because you show up and you're agreeing this is your first red day. Obviously, you're doing something right. But if you want to consistently stay engaged in the market and raise that percent up, you gotta at least come to the market at least 3 to 4 days out of it. Whatever that is that you have to change it if you want to increase your winning rate. And it could be a lifestyle change. Maybe if I go into work early, maybe I change the schedule. Maybe the schedule could switch up, maybe like 11 or 7 for a period of time. You know what I mean? 12 to 8.
yeah,
You know, so you could have at least a couple windows in the morning and then you could at least be consistent 5 days out of the week, right? Maybe some days you got to go in early or vice versa. Or if you can adjust it like that, then maybe 3 days you do that. So you'd be 3 days consistently in the market, right? And the other rest of the days, you do your regular days. But I'm just telling you guys this, that if you want to be in the market environment and in the trading environment, something has to change. If that's what you want to do, if it's this you want to do, you know. I remember when I started, I was in and out and I wasn't consistent like I was. And then I'm saying to myself, if I'm going to be a part of this, I got to switch something, even though I didn't like working nights, but I had to work nights in order to be in this game, right? I wasn't trading all the way till the close of the market. I was trading up until 12 and 11, or maybe 2, because I had to be to work at 3, right? So I trade until that time. I know it take me about 40 minutes to get to work, including traffic and stuff like that. So give myself an hour. Leave at 3, shut down at 2:30, and then at 3 o'clock I'm ready. And one of the things that I do, I get up and take a shower before the market open. So I don't have to do that after I get off and waste another 30 minutes, right? So all of the things, it's a life-changing lifestyle that you have to change in order to be a part of this if you want to be successful. That's all I'm trying to say. EMPH will go back. Risk 1 to make 1. So I'm down 5.30 cents.
Mark, did you get out of Tesla?
Oh, I didn't trade Tesla.
I was thinking Mark was saying earlier that he's in it.
So we got magenta here. stop loss. Seen that I wasn't watching.
Tesla's very odd. Very odd, his test. Tesla, I'm looking at the 5 minute on Tesla. It's got a big bear bar now on it. The market seems to be relatively okay, just hovering around the VWAP.
Yeah. That candle is bad. That's I have my stop loss set up. 66, so. That's- But look at that rejection here.
You know, when you see a bar like that, so is that a big sell order at the top of the price, which
Yeah.
triggered everyone else, or is it
Yeah.
someone continuously selling big orders or going down?
Somebody was waiting for this price point to sell out. And that's it. It's up after that.
So there's a good chance someone will offload again once he gets back to that price.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at Tesla in the morning.
Yeah.
Well, this is the range here. It established this morning and then broke it here at 224, right? So we have an opportunity to get back here at some point today.
Mm-hmm.
Or we get to this point in after hours.
Yeah.
So right now, this is your range for Tesla. Right? This is your range. Right? Some people use the top, right? Gauge. It's your range. Top to bottom. Okay? And in this range, got a channel, right? We got rejection underneath the view up, as you can see. Didn't even get there yet.
Mm-hmm.
Got rejected. You can see pre-market, right? Breakdown at this level. Then, okay? So even if you wanted to trade this, you could have traded from here to this pullback here, right? To this level.
Mm-hmm.
Another support. As it breaks down, there's another support here again. So I wouldn't trade if you miss this one, then I would wait for this one because it's too close to pull from here to here unless you're scalping. I just would. That's not
No, I
that's
just sit
not
in my
how
hands.
trading is done, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I just would. You know, I'll wait for the bigger move to break this 219 there down. And then down.
I was looking at the weekly as well. It looks to me on the weekly, it needs to go down, or it wants to
Yeah.
go down a bit more.
Yeah.
Watch E and PH, Steve,
Yeah.
dropping down.
Getting ready. 26.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, it's on a downtrend.
Yeah, it's coming down.
Yeah.
Might we go for another shot if it breaks that low, right?
Yes. Watch it at that 110.50. But I'm not giving up on it yet. Just wait. And see. Yes. Alright, I don't like it outside. Cloudy. Yeah,
Yeah, the market's giving it up.
Yeah.
SPY's going down as well.
yeah, look at coin. In coin. In coin, Tesla. Tesla. Right?
Mhm.
Good point. EMPH. Stopped out, EMPH. It just know where my stop loss is. That's all I say. Anybody watching anything else? Watch this SB. See, good, going looking good. MSDR looking. EMPH. It's a big candle on Tesla right here. Coin is melted. MSCR is melted. I need to see more from you. Anything else? Anybody else is doing? What you guys trading? Talk to me. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. Notification bell, hit the notification bell. Leave a comment, leave a like. If you want to join us in our Zoom live, we go back. Tap on the link up in the top of the chat here. Also, you can find all the links. Please go ahead and follow on all social media. Thank you. Also, tell a friend and tell a friend. Come on over. Join us. We pick them, we trade them. Simple as that. On our journey to build generational wealth, one trade at a time. Participate.
Yeah, I'm flat. I missed that last pullback on Tesla.
Yeah. I'm not gonna chase it now. I need to see more activity.
Yeah, I had it marked. It just moved quick by the time I got back to take it.
Get down and snag me out. Right. Boom. Spike down, boom, took me out, huh? Now, if I had made this trade at 2-1, it wouldn't make sense, right? Risking to lose 2 to risk 1, right? That's not how you trade, right? If I was gonna risk 2, then my stop loss would have to be 2. You get that? If you're gonna risk 50 cents, then your stop loss gotta be 50 cents.
Yeah.
You don't risk more than what you're gonna win. You risk less to win more. Okay? I could risk 3 if I'm gonna make 4, right? Or 5 or 6. Okay? Look at it now. So now for me, for EMPH, would have to break this level now because we know that some resistance is up here, right? That's what the tape is telling me. Resistant, somebody waited, sold out. We don't know how much, we don't have that information, but the stock market does. Of anyone waiting at 112, right? They know who is waiting at 112. Look, you see the 1-to-1 ratio? They know people trade 1-to-1 ratio right now. So look, boom, comes out. Didn't give you an opportunity to get out up here on a spike. We don't get out on spike. So I don't want to lose on a spike and then lose again down here, right? That's twice. I'd rather lose once and lose to come to my stop loss and be stopped out. I'd rather that than try to take profit here, and that's a losing trade, right? So I wait, hit my stop loss, then I go at it again. Got several more opportunities to go into the trade. Just gotta wait for another development. In the meantime, we move on. Anything you trade in, Mike?
Yeah, I'm just doing the ENPH with you.
Okay,
I'm waiting for something else later.
got it. And it's Friday, no trading on Monday.
That will be the short.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to see a major breakdown on it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. See if we create a double bottom here, right? Then bounce again.
Hey, Steve, JP Morgan nose diving. I see you have position in it.
Yeah, still good. Still good in JP Morgan. JP Morgan ain't gonna drop what? 60 points today. JP Morgan been strong for the last year. 111.56. Still got some room to go. Even if it dropped back down, right? 100 shares, not gonna affect me at all. You know what I mean? Look how far away it is.
Yeah, I understand. I'm just
Yeah.
saying that looking
Yeah.
at the chart.
Yeah, there's a pullback in banks. Today you might want to look at BAC. You could look at BAC. Start shopping Bank of America. How can you trade that? How can you trade that? Wow, that was a burst of light that comes in the sun. What? Come on, baby. 69 degrees. It's Bank of America. Ain't nothing in it. I wouldn't touch Bank of America. That's just look how choppy it is. Wow. Ooh. 33 again. 33. Break it, pull back, break it, pull back, break it, pull back. Tested, pull back, tested, pull back. So 33, we know that's the area I'm back. All right. Trading within a dollar range. Back 32, short. $32 short. 32, 33, hut, right? Let's come on. Each trade. Gonna have to wait on that each. Anybody else looking at anything? Buy on coin. Coin is gonna come back up. MSDR coin, they all run together.
The Zen Zone. I have a question if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
So I was just wondering, this is just a question. I was just wondering if more legit traders show how they trade, isn't that like bad for the economy and bad for the traders themselves?
Why wouldn't you want to trade about you trade if you want to teach somebody how to do it?
Because well, there's a lot of money in trading, and I was thinking about it. There's a lot of smart people with a lot of money that just never attempt trading because of what they read online. That like 93% fail, and then they see all these fake gurus. So when you come across someone like you, that's very, very rare. It's like the 1% of the
Yeah.
traders online.
Yeah.
And people don't know about that, and I think that's why people don't trade. But I was thinking, and this is just a question. I was wondering if more people like find out about legit traders and more legit traders show how they trade, then like if everyone wanted to just drop out of their jobs to trade, then wouldn't trading become regulated or more harder, and like the government would have to do something so not everyone is just trading, so everyone has to have like real jobs, or would it not work like that?
And again, this market is fear and greed, right?
Right.
It's based off of fear and greed, right? Now, is everybody's a teacher? Then everybody would go to college, right?
Right.
And when you wind up in college, you figure out college is not for me, right? Then you go back and do something else. You either go to a trade school. So here's college, here's trade school. That's why you gotta have diversity of things, right? Yeah, it's scary. It's your money, it's your hard work and money. But this trading thing is what we do every single day. It's what runs the country, right?
Correct.
It's the goods and service that you buy it's the food that you eat, to the clothes that you wear, to the car that you drive. Why not be a part of it, right? And being part of it is understanding it's set up basic like any structure or any job or any college or anything that you do. It's a structure that is set up, right? But people make this thing fair and make it bigger than it's supposed to be, right? People comes with their flash, tell you this, tell you that. It's not easy. I'll be the first one to tell you. I had my struggles, right? I've seen the gurus. I've taken the gurus. I've taken those classes that didn't work out for me. But what I've done is learn from everybody else that I took from and say, sit down and say, what is it that I could use or what I could utilize and what I could be good at? And then formulate a system around that for me, not for anybody else, because I don't know what anybody lifestyle is. I only could speak on me, right? Because I've done everything else. I've worked a corporate job. I've seen what corporate do. I went to college. I have a business degree, okay?
Right.
Right? I've done that. I've worked it. I see what corporate America does to the regular person. You come out of college and thinking you're gonna find a job in your field that you come out of college that you spend 4, sometimes 8 years, depends on the type of education you go for. And you come back and you know what you're doing? You're working at a fast food joint.
Right.
Okay? So I know there's a lot of people out there that is trading and showing you this and showing you that. I didn't want to be that guy. I wanted to be the guy if somebody see my stuff and said, you know what? He's honest at what he's doing. And if it's one person, I'd rather have that one person rock with me until the end of time, knowing that, you know what? I want to change lives. I know what it's like. I know what it's like being at the bottom. I know what it feels like. I know enough is enough, right? And yeah, I have my platform shut down. I have people come in, reported I have it all done to me, man, but I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. Because I know people like me and people like you needs that. Need to have the confidence. Know that it can be done. And you know what? You got to get out of that matrix, man. You got to get out of that 9 to 5. The same amount of time you put into your 9 to 5, why not put it into something that is for yourself? You get educated in this, it's a lifetime education. Nobody could take it away from you. It's like riding a bike, brother.
Yeah. And no, that's all correct. But I was saying, like, well, because someone like you is able to show everyone exactly what to do, and you went through all the trials and tribulations, and now you can show everyone what to do. So can't everyone is just copying your strategy? And if more people find out you're legit, and like, let's say your Zoom becomes like 500 people, 1,000 people,
Yeah.
then more and more people are just gonna, I mean, wouldn't more and more people drop out of their job because they have found someone who's legit and they can just copy their strategy step by step?
And that be fine. More, because there's so many people in the world, it's not even gonna put a dent in the stock market.
Yeah, I was going to say that because Robin, even by having a funded account, you're providing liquidity to the market. You know, there's a reason these ETFs, these Bitcoin ETFs, have been approved because they're encouraging people to do it. Because most people lose.
Yeah.
So even if someone gives you the strategy like Steve is, it's still not straightforward. You still got to do the hours, dedicate yourself. It's just not going to work. And then if you think about if everyone left their jobs, then that's going to impact unemployment. Now, unemployment usually is higher than lower. So if people are leaving and unemployment is getting lower, yes, they would potentially have an impact, but then you're not going to get that many people who are in a position to do this. That's why people don't.
And even look at the pandemic. There's people lost their job. What effect? The stock market is still going. Those big business and corporate companies, they still going and they're still laying off people. Amazon, Google, they all laid off a bunch of people, but companies still flourishing. It's still flourishing. So for me, what I've wanted and what I've been through in my life to get to this point is saying I've seen enough, right? And I'm not going to tell you I'm the best at what I best out there, but I'm good at what I do. I know that for a fact, and nobody can take that away from me because I'll put the time in, right? So if anybody come on my platform and report, and I have it done, reported my platform, I got shut down on so many other things, but it's okay. You know what? What must be will be, right? And if I can be on a platform, you know what? Somebody will get me through an email. Somebody will get me through a phone call. And you know what? I could do a one-on-one, right? And those things are available as well. You know, so for me is to get in them. I don't even want the mass of people to be. If I could change your life from a year now that you were a year before, I've done my job. And that's all I'm willing to do. To get you to understand that what you were doing last year, it wasn't working. Here you find someone working on something and you find something, take it for what it is. You don't have to follow me. You don't have to. It's not like I'm holding anybody here. But what I'm trying to do is to get you to understand, if I could do it, you could do it too. And just building that to make a difference. I've just finished a 250 trading day of 2020. People would look at me and say, you can't do that. That is impossible, right?
Right. Yep.
I've recorded it just to show that it is possible. I'm not going to say that I didn't lose trade, but 99.9% of the time, I'm a winning trader. Can anybody say that? I don't know if anybody can say that. I know I can because I've recorded it.
So basically, even if a lot of people do join in to someone who is legit, the conclusion is that it wouldn't be enough to affect the markets where trading could possibly be regulated to put people back into their jobs.
Right. It won't, because people gonna still go to work because they're afraid, right? And they think that the 9 to 5 is the way to go. Look how many people out there are self-employed. Look how many people out there on their own business. It's still gonna go. There's too many people in the world for us not to jump off that cliff and do something for yourself. You gotta do it.
Okay. I was just wondering if that scenario is possible, but I guess not, right?
It won't be enough people for me, people like myself. I need thousands of people like me out there. Hundreds.
I can honestly say I've been green ever since I've been showing up on the Zoom. And the only time that I'm red was today was because I was rushing. And I just looked at the trade. It wasn't at the open. It was around like 10, 15. That's the only reason why. But ever since then, I got on this Zoom. It impacted me. And I showed my wife my account and she loves it. So I'm here. I'm not going nowhere. If you coming in on this Zoom, you will learn something. I can guarantee you that. If it's not from Zen, it's from Mark, it's from the whole community. So if you're in here, you're gonna learn. And I'm at the doctor's right now. So I'm listening and at the same time. So I'm telling you, stay with this group. These guys are wonderful. They're amazing. And I have a lot to learn and I'm learning from them every day.
There you go, Robin. And I didn't tell Rashawn to say that.
Nope.
You say first, he's saying it because that's what he has experienced, right? And that's the whole thing, is to have that experience. It's, if I've already done the job, it's like what my mom was always saying, and that's why when I was a toddler, I hang around older people because they had experience, right? They've been through something, right? And I'm never too old to learn, right? You could teach me something, Robin, that I haven't known towards trade. You could suggest something and I said, okay, let me look at that. I will look at it. If it fits my trading strategy, why not? It's just added to what I already know, okay? Before, I'll give you an incident. I never used to do pre-market trading or after hours trading until Mark said, you know what? You're so great at doing this. You ever think about doing pre-market analysis or pre-market trading? And I said, no. I just wake up and trade for 5 minutes, trade for 30 minutes, and I was done. And he said to me, why don't you put this on, record this for people to see? Let's go for a 250 trading day challenge. I had to sit down and think about it for a couple of days, just because I know what it entails. What am I going to do? How I'm going to build this confidence up? Because I did 20 days, I did 30 days, but I never did a whole year. It was a challenge, and I put it out there and recorded it just to say that I've done it. And to anybody that is new or come to the channel, say, you could do it too. You just got to change your mindset.
I mean, yeah, you were one of the reasons. My dad's an accountant, and one of his customers was a successful trader. And then I also saw your YouTube, so I knew that what I'm reading online about 93% fail or blah 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 or whatever, that has to be more of a dropout rate than a fail rate.
Yes.
So I knew to put in my time then, and it's going good for me too. But I was just getting a little paranoid with like more legit traders showing their strategies. But I mean, I guess you are right. There's too many people in the world, and a lot of people, I guess, even if they do find you, they still wouldn't have the time commitment to be able to, learn from you.
Yeah, yeah. They get scared. It's fear.
Okay.
It's
All right.
fair. And
All
the
right.
same thing is that you have to have a system, right? I have a
Right.
system. I have a system. I have 5 keys that I go by. I got to be consistent. I got to be disciplined. I got to have the confidence. I got to have the patience, right? And I got to have the passion. I live by that every day. I wake up every day. I'm green today. That's my positive affirmation. I'm green today. I'm not looking for a red day. And my strategy's got to fit that green day.
And
Right?
yeah. And do you have a bigger goal of? I think I already asked you this before. Do you have a bigger goal of starting a fund or anything?
It's coming. It's coming.
It's coming. Okay.
But everything starts little by little. If anybody was watching me from the time I had a sticky note and a cup of coffee,
That's me. That's me.
Yep.
okay?
Yeah,
Here you
that's
No,
me.
go.
I think only me
I
and
am watching the yellow text for more than 2 years. Believe me,
Believe you
Robin.
me. Yeah.
That's
I'm
me
doing this,
too.
Robin.
Yeah, I missed my post-it notes, man.
You understand? So
They're coming back, Sean.
I've evolved over the years by saying when nobody trusted me, right? Nobody believed in me, right? I stayed persistent and I continue to where I'm on TikTok, to where they banned me from TikTok, some of my channel. I gotta redo them, right?
Do you think they did that because you're legit, or they're
Of
thinking that you're
course,
fake?
of course. They do what they do, right?
Okay. Right.
I have no control over them, right? To
Right.
me, it's a borrowed platform, right? It's for me to showcase. Anything good, that is good. Some people don't like that, right?
Right.
The powers that be, right?
Right. Yeah. There's part. Yeah.
What I look at is we all human beings, right? Why wouldn't I want to see you do good? Why
No,
wouldn't I
that's true.
want to see you do good? Just
That's
because
true.
you
That's true.
get my strategy, do you think that's you getting my strategy is gonna stop me from trading? It's only gonna make you better.
Right. And even if
Yeah.
a lot of people followed you, it's just too many people in the world for it to affect the market or get it regulated.
Yeah, look what
Market's
the
already
market
heavily
does now.
regulated.
Look at what the market does now. Before all this crypto come, right? We all retail traders and all the other regular people, right, got into crypto because it was something new. Look what the market does now. They shut it down and cut you off and cut those people off and regulate them. Look at them now. They're pushing out ETFs now and want us now to buy it. For that reason, I won't trade an ETF, a cryptocurrency ETF. I won't do that.
Right.
Because you know what? That's something that we were doing, right? That was for us. It ain't hurting anybody, right? So what? There's more millionaire being made. Those billionaires on top of billionaires, trillionaires. And they don't want to see us win. Why is that? To keep you down, right? So
Right.
it's for you to figure out to get out of the matrix and find something of your own. And as long as that you could live, you could pay your bills every day, you could spend time with your family, right? And don't have to worry about anything, you're fine, brother. Let
Okay.
them do what they do. Find your lane, do what you do. And as long as you could live a happy life, man, and do what you want to do, go anywhere that you want to go, that's the life you want to create. That's the life you were put on this planet to do.
Yep.
Hey, Steve, can you take a look at the coin? I mean, the stock?
SYT.
Which one?
SYT.
Yeah, Robin. So, I don't know if that answers your question, but I'm not
It
worried
did.
about it, man. I'm just gonna keep pushing and pushing. And like I said, even now that we were supposed to launch in January, we have a setback, right? What am I?
Right.
Just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Sooner or later, that little mishap is gonna overcome, and we're gonna be back up, and then another challenge is gonna present itself, right?
Yep.
That's just the way it is. It's life. We just gotta stick to the process. And I'll say that all the time. Sticking to the process, trust in the process, trust in yourself that you know what, you're capable of making it happen. Just like how you get up every day and go make it happen for somebody else, you could make it happen for you. Have the same urgency for yourself too. Don't give them 99.9% of your time and then you go work. You go work 12 hours a day and then you come home and don't give any time for you. What is that?
Right.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Steve, get ready for B cell. BCEL.
What is that? BCEL.
Yeah, I traded it last night after market close. I took it
Okay.
from 32 all the way to 47. It's popping
Penny
again.
stock. It's a penny stock.
Yeah,
It doesn't have a
Okay.
range, Yashim, only maybe up to 60 cents, that's it. There's no range in it, man, let's see.
50 cents.
SYT right here. Yeah, about 572.
SYT.
Yeah, it's pulled back.
Is there
Next
short?
week I would see over here with this a 50-cent move. I would do if it comes back up here. That was a great gap up this morning, but as you could see, this wouldn't be a stock that I trade because look at the trading. Look at the chart. I wouldn't advise anybody to trade a stock like this. I mean, this pop-up is good and great. That means some pump and dump, but what's the news behind it for it to pump up like that? You know, if you want to scalp it, I would scalp it from 650 to $7, but the top is 687. That's about it. I would do with that. But
How about short? I mean, it's good
I
short.
wouldn't short that stuff. I just wouldn't because I don't like the chart. I just don't. I need consistency.
All right, Steve. Thank you for answering my question, and you guys have a good trading day. Peace
Yeah,
out.
you too, man. You too, man. And good luck in everything you do, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you stopping by. And hey, listen, that's what we all about, man. And nothing was wrong with the question you asked. There's never a wrong question. Okay?
Yep.
Just know that.
All right. Yep.
All right.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Here we go, guys. That's how it is, right?
Yes, sir.
People want to know why. Why am I doing this?
All right, fellas, have a wonderful weekend. I gotta go do some running around. Steve, guys, Mark,
Yes.
Sean, Yasim, all you enjoy your weekend, please.
Yeah.
Long
You too as
weekend.
well, buddy. Great
Yeah,
job.
be sure.
Thank you.
So that means Mara is going down, right? Mara got beaten up.
1930. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, these ETFs didn't give Bitcoin the big old pop they were talking about.
Oh, it did. It popped. It popped a balloon.
Or, yeah, the opposite way.
Look at Mara.
Did y'all play Tesla today?
Oh yeah, we did, buddy.
Played that opening, but I missed the short. Yeah, I heard that Fidelity Bitcoin ETF brought in over 450 million yesterday, and it's already down 6.5%, man. So think where that money went.
Yeah. And that's just my thought process on that. All these $1 trillion company, and what you think they want to do? Get us involved in all of that and give them more money, because what? Their company get built off us, the retail trade. We are the one that fund all of those big companies.
Yep. And they take money off the table.
Have to, you know. I'm the needle in the haystack, right? You gotta find me, right? And the people that find me, a lot of the skeptical, yeah, they're watching, but they're saying, you know, this guy ain't real. He ain't real.
Oh, he's real. I've been there.
You know,
Be
I
real,
don't,
man.
I don't have to show the flashy cars, the big houses. No, for what? To get you motivated? That is just material things. What you see these billionaires wear? A white t-shirt and a jeans. That's it. If they do go out, they dress up in a suit. But other than that, they don't have much. I don't need that. We got it, but we don't need to flash you. You don't need all of that. The idea is to change your life, be a little bit better than you were, right? Self-improvement. It's just like you always work. Man, paying bills, working, paying bills, working, paying bills. That's all they say to life. No, man. That's why I like go bowling. That's why I like go golfing. That's why I like, you know, go to the range. You know what I mean? To do stuff that I like to do. Go watch the sunset. Even to go by the river and just hear the river, the noise of the brook, right? Go to a cabin, go up to the mountains, get out into nature. You're not gonna do that if you're in a 9 to 5, 5 to 7 days a week. I've done it. I've worked 16 days straight. I know what it's like. Trust me. Okay? I'm not telling you something that I haven't done. I've done it. You name it, I've done it. You name it, I've worked it. Okay?
Hey Steve, you wanna short Hertz? It's going down deep.
Which one?
Hertz, HTZ. They had the bad news the other day.
HTZ?
Yeah, Hertz. They had bad news because they started to selling all those electric Teslas and others because people don't want to rent them, and they're going back to buy regular gas powered vehicles to their fleet.
Hey, somebody's awake on the news.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, this guy gets all the news, man.
Yeah. That's beautiful.
Yeah, that was like yesterday or the day before the news was. I posted
Yeah,
in
it was
the
yesterday.
Yeah.
You'd think it'd
Yeah.
be more positive because they talked about how expensive they are, and then when they get damaged, how long they're out. So yeah, they're selling them off and just going to go back to gas. Makes sense to me, man.
And again, if you think about these electric cars, I know Yasin have a Tesla, and I know, you know, not everybody can afford the maintenance on Teslas.
There's no maintenance, Steve. There's no maintenance. Zero maintenance.
When the battery goes, it's
Yeah, but Steve, these are the
Oh, the
rentals.
battery is replaceable in 8 years. Up to within 10 years or 8 years, they replace it for you.
how much you got to pay for them. And again, I'm not a Tesla. I don't know much about Tesla. Right?
I'll just go and make a big noise and make a sad face, and they'll just give me a new battery.
I'm sure,
And
man.
Yasin, no one's gonna give you nothing for free.
They gave me already so many times. I'm talking of experience. I went there. My lights were not
On Tesla?
something wrong with the lights. They gave me new headlights. I went there, burnt the motor on the rear drive because I was driving it like a hooligan. They gave me a new motor, no questions asked. My front shocks were making noise. They gave me new shocks, no questions
maybe
asked.
when you're on a warranty, maybe that's why.
Yeah.
The warranty.
the
But then
warranty.
after that, I had no complaints on my car.
Of course you're not, because you're paying for the warranty, right? And that's what they should do. They should honor the warranty. But I'm saying for someone that don't have the luxury to pay for extended warranty, right?
Yeah.
Right? They bought the Tesla and the battery went. It's gonna be almost another new car. It's gonna be out in a new car, right? So you buy a car, and to replace something else is the price of buying another car, or maybe a gas-powered car. That's just all I'm saying is that, is it feasible? For some people, yes. For some, it may not be. That's
Tesla
all.
coming up off the bottom right now.
Market is flat today, man.
Yeah, or it's anything on it is 860 here to 850. That's a 10-cent move for the low. I would wait for it to break. It's only moving 10 cents. For me, it's not that much for me to be. If you're looking for 10-cent move.
What do you see, Steve, on that chart? Is it more biased
To the
for
downside,
long or
it's
short?
more to the downside. It's
For the
getting
downside, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see the daily. See?
Steve, did you play Tesla up or down?
Tesla, I played Tesla up this morning.
You think she's gonna return?
Let's look at it.
You're moving up right now.
and PH.
It's trying to go up.
Yeah. I want to
Try.
break this level here. Needs to break this level. It's Friday too. We have a long weekend.
Yeah. No trading on Monday?
No trading on Monday. Be back on Tuesday on 16th.
Hey, check out AUVI.
Still that 330 from yesterday.
All right, cool.
Tesla hit my target, Steve.
It's strong. Nice. Nice on Tesla. Great job, you see.
No, what I said yesterday, my prediction was right on Tesla. 217.
217.
Yeah.
You shorted it?
Yeah, I was playing the puts. I can't short it because I have the stocks.
Oh, okay.
So
Nice.
I was playing the puts. Every pop I open the put.
So let me ask you something, Yasin. The puts that you're putting, right?
It's against my stocks, yeah. So I just buy a put every time I think a stock is going down and I own the stock. So I buy a put. So I'm losing money on the stock, but I'm making on the puts.
So do your puts that you're making the money on, as it equalize the or
No,
evenly
no,
right?
I have to take like 100 calls or 200 calls, then I would make it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if I had taken like say 100 puts, yeah, I would have made big money. But I'm playing safe.
Okay. They would have to break this on the upside here. If you were lucky to get in that's 218, good for you. That will be recorded. Great. Recorded. Wait till it's right there and then the stop loss would be at the top of this big candle. Risk one to make two on Tesla. There's pressure on Tesla.
Too much pressure. Spy is coming.
PH got rejected at 112. Anybody else trading in? Let's look out. Anything on alt sheet? Or
Hey, check out MDAI.
M D
DAI.
Nothing halted as of the moment. SYT's been halted several times.
have to break this level.
350.
I think that's the second time Robin came in and asked that question. The first time he came too.
Yep.
But he just wanted to know. Why would I do this? Why not? Right? Why not?
I don't see legitimate traders out there showing people how to trade it. They're trying to sell their courses. But maybe I'm not looking.
No, I mean, that's just it. You come across anybody. I don't see them as successful as Steve, and they all just want money for their Discord and lifetime memberships or monthly memberships. You know, that ain't what Steve's all about. If they're that successful, they don't need 2,000 a month to show you the secret, right?
I show it to you every day. You just gotta be willing to do it, right?
Yeah, sure.
And again, if you could pay for your car insurance every month, why not? This is a life-changing opportunity. It's like riding a bike. Once you learn this, there's no going back. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be going back. Look how long it took me to be successful, guys. Over 8 years. So it's not gonna happen overnight. I wouldn't be the guy to come and tell you that, oh, do this and then you're gonna be a million. No, it don't work like that. I'll be
You
lying.
can't pop in quick. I mean, I've been following you for 2 years, and I mean, you've changed my trading dramatically, but I'm still not at your level, man. It takes time, bro.
And you
Oh,
will.
yeah.
You will get it. I promise you, you will get it. What rapid mine to the fast level was that I was already dibbling in crypto. And that allowed me the opportunity to focus more on stocks after I saw what crypto was all about. When I found out how this stock movement, and I said, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else, right? If I buy Amazon, I'm gonna trade Amazon to get my money back that I spend with Amazon. You know what I mean? If I buy a Tesla, you know what? I'm gonna trade Tesla. You know what? You're gonna pay me back, Mr. Tesla.
It's funny. I was listening to some guy. There, somebody was complaining about the price of oil. He's like, I don't care how much gas goes up because I own oil company stocks. Like my stocks pay for my fuel. You know, it was a good way to look at it, right? Like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely, 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 absolutely. If I spend, say, $60 on a gas and whatever it is, Exxon Mobil or whatever the case may be, I'll just trade Exxon Mobil and make the money back. And then some. Right? So this is my mindset all the time. If the stock market is based off everyday life, right? And you could find an opportunity how to get this thing right, then you don't have to worry about that stuff anymore. You worry less. You worry less.
SYT. Zen.
Huh?
SYT. Didn't somebody say that before? It was
SYT?
halted. It was halted a half hour ago, and now it just halted again. High of the day.
At the high of the day.
Yep. It was a lull for like 30 minutes.
Oh, we missed that.
Yep.
Oh, we missed that. That was it right there.
50 would have been it, right?
That was
646.
it. 7, that's it. It's gone now.
Yep.
I wouldn't chase it now. That was the trade there.
Yeah.
If anybody took that, that was great. That 50-cent move. That's all you needed.
Lucid, you still holding, Steve?
No, I sold out of Lucid.
I'm shorting it.
Yeah, I made money. I mean, there's a lot of things come in here now on SYT. See, the chart is different from this over here. Look at it. I wouldn't ask you to trade that. But look, it's a different type of chart right here on SYT. $7.50. I don't know. Seven. Did it get 100 yet? They're shy of it. 720 is right here. That's the next one. You see all these dotted areas up here? That's another resistance area. Let's look at it first. Yeah, $8. 840. Look at that. Maybe this is something to watch. That's the next one. $8. Target, $8. That was you, Edwin, on this call, right?
No, not that one. I saw that one, but the chart looked kind of ugly, so I didn't want to
Yeah.
call it out.
But looking at it now, you could see now, open upward. March of last year. Starting to pick up some steam now. That would be your target.
I'm looking at B cell. B cell.
That's
Better.
You'll have to go in like 20,000 shares on this one, yeah, or more.
more than that for a 40-cent stop.
100,000 shares.
Hey, check out Bank of America.
Coming back up now.
The 32.76.
Numbers would be the resistance level up there. That gap up there. Let's try to start this one right here real quick. 76 feet. $8. 5% up. What's that trade? That was great right there. That was a great trade. $7. $7. Let's get this here real quick. Quick scalp. Scalp on this one here. Scalp.
Baba is so slow, man.
8. Watch it. Ooh. There she is.
Did anybody get in? I missed it. I was on the phone. Damn it.
Sweet. So that 8 target there, huh? That was great. Have to break that 8. Back to CD. Great. Big difference though. Like to make the trade. See if we could get it. Gonna break it, it's gonna pop. Something like 750. What you guys showing? Break on that R side.
Check out SANA.
It's fine. Say NA is better. Is it?
Well, I wouldn't say better.
Okay. 720. Now. Back to that entry. See what it does there. So now. 1.5. 683. That was a great trade right here. Oof. Missed that. Here. Great, right. Great, you would want to take the momentum. It's going back up here. Right through here. No. That. $7.30, that's 7 cents to $8. It's going down more. That was the best trade I've seen out of this dot here was at this level here, at that 650. That was the best trade out of it. Let's see what it does right up here. Back to 7. Right in above the 70 RSI. Like 17 points from 100 to give it 100 RSI. But I can see great move on that one. That's 775. 725, 730. Now, this going to support the view up here. What I would like for it to take this candle, build, push back up. Or it's going to build another candle to the downside here. So let's see what it does at V1. Coin must be coming up, right? Watch point at 133. So,
Market's gonna end red or green.
got the spines here, the spines, you know.
Baba is tanking.
And I don't trust the moment. So,
I just took 3/4 out of SYT.
what was your entry?
690.
Now we need to break 8. Get that. Quick. Ready? Eight. Tails up here, we're gonna have to go short, right? It's 100% for it to give us a big boost over there. We need it to get over 100%. Get out on slip. Let's see the percent at least 100%. So to get a big game out of that. Now that big. We want to come up and support this level right here. Out of way. Gonna be a good short too. I look forward to short. Yeah, nice. No, guys. There you go. Done. Boom. That's it. Right? You guys see that?
Well done, my brother. Well
I'm,
done.
I'm, I'm
Yep.
all out too.
Good.
Let it run, man. Let it do whatever it needs to do.
halted now.
But you see the big difference, even if we would have got it here, it would have been great too. Great job on that, Edwin. Boom. Okay? And that will be the one mark for today.
Yep, I already got it down.
Yeah.
You took full share size out, huh?
Yeah. Let it run, man. It's gonna be a good short too. Look at it. Look at that candle. That candle is gonna pull back.
Mhm.
What goes up must come down, right? And that's what we needed, right? I said we needed over 100 for us to get a big win on them. Oh, 109.
Yeah, there's like resistance at like 920.
Nothing holding it now. It could run. Go for days.
Está mal.
Run for days now. There's nothing holding it up there now. Right?
Mm.
There's nothing
Está
holding it.
completo. Ok. Hoje está mal.
Nothing holding it now, right? It could run. But I'm not gonna trust that it's gonna run. I take it for what it's gonna give me right now. You have a partial then. You let that partial run. And I'll watch it after hours. Let me go to stock pictures because I gotta turn over the studio, but it's Friday. Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Keep an eye on that SYT. SYT. That's lovely. Let's look at Tesla. Market's finishing red today. Maybe recover a little bit after hours. Tesla, you already know what Tesla. 219.50 on Tesla. Okay. Target 221. All right, Tesla. Coin. Coin. Watch that 133 on coin. That stock halted up, right? SYT halted to the upside.
Yep.
Coin is going to allow you to get it together. Watch this support here and then watch this. Break the 33. Be your target on fill that up and in, right? Let's put out the bill. Baba. Like that volume bar that came in that stuff. Just gotta be patient with it. Knowing the level. Get ready to that. $72.75 on Baba to the upside. I don't see it happening right now. Pressure to the downside. Support breakdown. 72.40 now is the low. So more downside on Baba. Underneath that 72. More downside. All right. That's what I would do. Baba. EMPH. We're waiting on EMPH. EMPH.
There it's trading now. 815, 810. A lot of pressure here.
EMPH would be that Got 112, right? It goes a short. Arena channel now. Oh, short. SWBL pull back today. As people are taking profit 15 days straight to the upside. It's bound to pull back. 450 down 29% today. $0.30. 60. That's what I see. That's gonna do it for me. I want to thank you guys for coming in. Great job, guys. Making money, take the partial, pay yourself first. Like always, okay, we'll redeem back on Tuesday. Monday, there's no trading. So trade smart, safe out there, and be trading, take your partial. Just let the stock come to you. Okay?
Thank you, brother, for everything you
Thank
give
you,
us.
Steve. Thank you.
We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Cheers
Steve.
all. Have a good weekend.
Yes.
See you guys next week.
All right, Sean. And I'm also gonna be in the Discord, so just, you know, if you guys see something, I see something, I'll let you guys know. But watch this pullback on this, it's hard. That's what. Under 8. Good job.